everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll just shortly explain how you can work in Zoho CRM, so let's get right into it. Now, CRM means Customer Relations Management. This is used pretty much to make note of all your customers, of all your leads, contacts, and accounts you have. You can create quotations, you can do a couple of different things. You can use analytics to see how your sales are going. Pretty much you can do a lot of different things. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my home page, and as you can see, this is currently my home. You can also go into the classic view and see all your open tasks, and you can also see your meetings, amounts by stage, and etc. But you all have your personalized home pages, which are made to your account. Now, these are, or this one rather, is by default. You can see your tasks, meetings, deals closing this month, and today's leads, as well as some basic analytics at the very top. You can go here on the three dots and you can then reorder. You can add widgets, add view windows, etc. If you want to create for specific roles within your company or business, you can add a new widget, which you can then use to set up certain people's or certain types of employees' pages so that they can use it. And I do apologize for my phone. But yeah, you can do that. You can, as I mentioned, go into your leads menu, and you can see all your leads which you have. Now, these are of course all samples, but you can pretty much see their contact information, as well as set them up to show which stage they're currently on. You can also create a lead, go into actions and do a mass delete, mass update, mass convert, drafts, mass email, etc. You can file through these and filter through them to see certain leads better and to see which leads are in a current stage, etc. You can also go to your contacts and set up contacts within certain companies, and yeah, you can do a lot of different things. You can also go into accounts and see all of the accounts of your customers or whatever. You can also go to deals, tasks, set up new tasks for your employees. In deals, you can see sort of a view which shows you all the deals you're currently doing or that are in progress. You can set up meetings, calls, reports, etc. But yeah, that is basically it. You just need to go through all of your views, use them for whatever you need, and pretty much use them for analytics and to better manage your customers and your business. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.